Alright, thought I'd share a video on my new toy. So it's a heated solder sucker. Pretty cool. In the past I've used like a electronic motorized pump one. They're like $2,000, so this one's like 15 bucks and it works pretty good. So the key to using these is you can see I've done one so far. That guy right there. You got to flux liberally. So the other three are 1, 2, 3. Flux them very liberally, and then solder always travels to solder. So before you go to do any sucking, I'm going to look away from the camera so I can see this. Hope we can get it on camera. You want to pre-wet the tip with solder. So I have solder on there because that'll actually help the solder on the pad melt. So let me see if I can get this in the video and do it with one hand. Oh yeah, and then I do this all the time. Don't forget to do that. And I'm gonna clean my tip and get some fresh solder on there. Alright, so see if I can do this with one hand. Get that on there, let it melt, and then suck. And there you go. Pretty cool. I like it.